Snow. That's how we closed out the work week, and a lot of winds to boot. In fact, it was so noisy it's difficult to sleep last night as the snow came down horizontally. Here's what we have to look forward to as we go through the remainder of our Friday night. That wind finally starting to die down, but the temperatures are cooling off. We will have some dangerous wind chills in the single digits during the overnight hours, and by morning the snow will begin out west and it will make its way through. We'll have passing periods of snow showers tomorrow. Some will get mixed precipitation, but some areas will see more snow with round 2 than we saw with round 1 as this clipper works its way through. It will not be as windy, but we will tell you when and where that wind will be an issue and why. Also on Sunday, looks like we're back into the cold, but at least we're done with the first alert weather days for the weekend. And right now we're seeing mostly cloudy skies over the valley. The snow showers have gone. Temperatures are on their way down as we have 20s for all areas. Now it's coolest out to the west. We're in central North Dakota. Bismarck's at 19 degrees. Mid-20s in our western counties, Devils Lake through the James River Valley. Factor in those winds and we have wind chills that are in the teens out there. So it's mighty cold. Want to take this moment to remind you to put a survival kit in your vehicle. You should have blankets, mittens, hats, and things for everyone in the car to stay warm should you become stranded by the roadside during this slippery, wintry season and cold as well. All right, here's one other thing. The winds tapering off 10 to 20 miles per hour for most. We do have a couple of gusts in Lakes Country now over 20 miles per hour, but really winding down. Overnight, the wind continues to die down. Clouds will remain. Temperatures will be diving down into the upper teens and low 20s. And look at this. By morning, passing snow showers developing as our clipper begins to work its way into the western part of the Dakotas. It's going to bring some warm air with it, and in fact our wind will be doing a switcheroo. Instead of those gusty and nasty north winds, they become southerly. Carrington, James River Valley, chance of some morning snow showers if you're heading out for the morning hunt, and this will spread into the Red River Valley and western Minnesota as we go into the midday hour. Mostly light snow showers, but we could get briefly moderate snow showers with those south winds. South winds bringing warmer temperatures. Look at this. We're approaching that freezing temperature out to the west, and that means some mixed precipitation will be in the mix. And in fact, we could get some flat out rain showers. It could be moderate to heavy at times as well. Will it be freezing rain? Our surface temperatures should be warm enough right now and tomorrow that I don't think we're going to have a lot of accumulation of ice, but there certainly could be some icing in areas. Temperatures will be cold enough all day for snow up north, and that's why this snow will be different than the last one. Will already be cold when it starts, so the flakes will be fluffier. They'll add up quicker. So we go from the mid-afternoon hours into the evening hours. The snow moves south and east. So many areas will have a chance at getting some accumulating snow with this system, but because it's fast moving, it won't stick around long enough to give us too lofty snow totals. Then the wind picks up from the north and it gets gusty, over 40 miles per hour again. So it's not concurrent with the snowfall. We won't have as many of the visibility problems, although we will have wintry travel conditions across the valley. I do think we could see a little bit more right along Highway 2, many closer to the 2 to 4 inch category just because of temperatures, the way things are looking. And that will rapidly diminish in how much snowfall we see as we go up to the international border and points north. Down south, because of the warmer conditions and the rain, I don't think we'll have much. So you'll be closer to the 0 down there, but quickly ramping up as we get into the I-94 corridor. Jamestown, Valley City, Fargo, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Pelican Rapids, Battle Lake, all of us getting a fair dose of 2 to 4 inches. With pockets, it could be as high as 6 inches or so. Temperatures near 30 for almost all areas. Snow showers for almost all areas as well. That'll be heaviest right in the central part of our viewing area. Well, this Halloween pumpkin says, what is this nonsense? Laura, beautiful shot there of the new scene that we have around the valley. Sunday, a bitter cold morning. Temperatures around 30 again on a cool and crisp day. Then on Monday, snow shower can't be ruled out once again. How about this though? Tuesday, toasty, 42. I guess you shed the parka and the snowblower, get the lawnmower, and rake up some more leaves, because that's what it looks like for Tuesday.
For one day, yeah.
One day.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
You can keep track of the weather right where you are with the VNL Weather app. It has live radar and forecasts from our weather team. Just go to the app or Google Play Store, search VNL Weather. You can download it for free. Many of us weren't thrilled to see the snow today, but others, especially kids, may disagree. In fact, there's one in particular who may actually be to blame. 12-year-old Jorla Clout in Bismarck put an old wives' tale to the test. She read that if you wear your pajamas inside out, sleep with a cold spoon under your pillow, and flush 3 ice cubes down the toilet, it'll snow. She did all 3 and voila. We not only have Friday night football, but a slew of activity up and down the Red River Valley tonight. Beth is in next with sports.